सो गाइस इधर ना मैम मिले मेरे एंड मैम से बात करते हैं अबाउट दिस स्नेक्स and here is ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. Yourself today?
Yeah, I'm also good. And can you tell about the snakes?
Okay.
Are you doing breeding in snakes only or any other reptile as well?
I just do ball pythons myself. These are all ball pythons.
Okay.
So these are all the same species of snake, but different morphs. The colors are all different genetics.
Okay, they all are the same snakes,
Yes.
but the different color and the different genes?
Different genes. Yes.
Okay.
Genes we call morphs.
More. Okay.
Yeah.
In the snake line, you
Yes,
call
yeah.
more. Okay.
So when you look at the tags, the different names in the tags,
Okay.
chocolate is one morph. This snake and this snake both carry chocolate.
Okay.
This one is only a het for recessive orange ghost. This is a visual.
Okay.
So when you're doing your biology 30, it's recessive and dominant genes.
Okay.
That's what some are dominant, some are recessive. Like your eyes, blue
Yeah.
eyes, brown eyes.
Yeah.
Same idea.
Okay. Like, okay. What about these? These are similar to this one?
This is exact same.
Okay.
This is 2 pastel, super pastel.
Okay.
This is the same genes, only 1 pastel.
Okay.
So that's the color difference. The bright yellow is the
Okay.
extra pastel.
Okay. I really like this one.
That one's a sweetie.
Yeah. Okay. Like they all are the similar.
But all the same, all ball pythons. They're
Okay.
all same care,
Okay.
same size, same
Okay.
food.
Okay. And I want to ask about the lifespan of the snake.
Okay, properly cared for, good humidity, good heat, proper food, 20 years in pet,
Okay.
in captivity.
In captivity. And if I talk about the forest?
Things eat you when you're outside. Average lifespan outside 7 to 10
Okay.
because they have things that hunt them. At home, nobody hunts you sitting on the couch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. If I talk about these snakes, like it's pretty new for me
Yeah.
to cover these snakes, but I covered dog shows,
Yes.
cat show, house show.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah.
That's super cool.
But it's very new for me to cover the snakes. If I talk about the snakes, like belong from different genetics, will they breed or not? Like if I talk about in
That's very controversial.
okay.
Some species you can crossbreed,
Okay.
but it's frowned upon.
Okay.
Sometimes it's viable, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. But you will sometimes see crosses.
Okay.
Not very often.
Like
Usually you.
in some dog breeds.
Yes.
If I talk about the French
But it's
bulldog.
still but it's still a dog to a dog.
Yeah.
Crossing different species of snakes would be like a coyote to a dog or a wolf to a dog.
Okay.
Not a dog, but canid. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you breed species of snakes, it's like king snakes and corn snakes are both colubrids. They're members of the garter snake family,
Okay.
but they're different.
Okay.
Sometimes they can crossbreed.
Okay. Like there is as well controversy
Yeah,
in snakes as
because
well.
it's because you don't want to. It's like, you know how they breed like lions and tigers,
Yeah.
and they make the liger.
Yeah. It's similar to the.
You're messing with things. They wouldn't do it in the wild. It's
Okay.
people doing it.
Yeah.
In the wild, it wouldn't happen.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Okay. If I talk about the French bulldog breed,
Yes.
there is Merle color.
Yes.
Okay.
Because people interfere too far.
Yeah.
And too many things.
Uh,
Snakes, so far, we don't have that problem so much.
Okay.
Because we breed for color, not for size, not for head. It's
Alright.
mostly color and pattern.
Okay. Like that guy told me about the show.
Yes.
I asked from him like in Indonesia there is a show.
Yeah.
But in Canada there is a show or not about the snakes?
No, not so much.
Okay. Here.
Yeah, no. Just the
Oh.
expos. You'll get the expos. and
Okay,
everything.
like this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, check karo yaar. And I want to ask, is that the same snake?
Yeah, these are adults.
Okay. Okay.
So she was born in 1998.
1998? Oh really? So guys, ये 1998 में born हुआ था snake. Okay. And these?
2020.
20.
Adult females.
Okay.
4.5-year-old females.
Okay. Okay.
Those are full grown. Those are
Oh,
girls.
okay. And I want to ask about the breeding. Like, if I talk about the female.
Yep. Female around 1,500 to 2,000 grams.
Okay.
So about 3 years old.
Okay.
Males 600 to 800 grams. A year and a half to 2 years.
Okay. And what's the retiring age?
Usually, I personally don't do more than 10 clutches over the lifespan.
Okay.
I don't. It's like dogs.
Okay.
You don't breed back to back. It's
Yeah.
not good. They
Yeah.
get a
Yeah.
break.
Yeah.
But
Like,
I mean, a female in the wild will have 7, 8, 9 clutches before she's too old.
can you explain the term clutches?
Clutch, eggs.
Okay.
So they lay eggs.
Okay.
One litter of eggs, like puppies.
Yeah,
is
yeah,
a
yeah.
clutch.
Okay. They call it.
Yeah, they call it a clutch of eggs.
Okay. 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 And nice to meet you, ma'am. And
a
thank you.
pleasure.
Yeah. And thank you so much.
Have a good day.
And giving lot of knowledge about the snakes.
Perfect.
तो भाई ये कार्ड आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. Do you have Instagram as well?
Yes, the Instagram is on the card.
Okay. Okay. So guys आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. And ma'am is doing breeding in only ball python.
Only ball pythons.
Okay. So guys आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. तो भाई ये चेक करो यार, मुझे पता नहीं क्या चीज़ है, बाकी पूछते हैं. And here is sir. Sir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good, sir. Can you tell about the varieties? What is this?
So these are exoskeletons. They're just molts. So they're the skin or the shed skin of tarantulas.
Okay.
And so many of them have been shed by the animal appropriately, right?
Okay.
But some of them have gotten sick, and we've had to actually go and anesthetize the animal and remove the molt for them because they couldn't get out of it on their own.
Okay.
So we remove it for them, almost like a surgery type thing, right?
Okay. Are they dead?
This is like skin.
Okay, it's just the skin.
Shed skin, just the skin. Yeah,
Okay,
there's no animals.
not
in
the
there.
animal.
No.
Okay.
So we're a veterinary hospital. These are all tissues that have been removed in surgery.
Okay.
So eggs in various forms. So like ovaries and eggs in the reproductive tract, stuff like
Okay,
that.
these all are the eggs.
all eggs. Yep.
Okay, are you veterinarian?
Veterinarian.
Okay.
Yeah, veterinarian, yeah.
Earlier I thought you are the breeder.
No.
Of these types of, like, I had never seen this.
Yeah. No, the veterinarian. Yeah. So we do surgeries. So these are amputations. Like we had to amputate leg because infections going up and stuff like that. Yeah.
In reptiles.
Reptiles, birds, stuff like that.
Okay. Which kind of specialty you are doing? Like in
Exotic animal.
exotic animal,
Yeah.
not the dogs
No
and the
dogs, no
cats.
cats, yeah.
Okay, because there are a lot of fields.
Yeah.
I had a lot of friends who are veterinarian but doing
Dogs and cats
dogs
and
and
cows
cats.
and things like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah, so we do exotic pets. So birds, reptiles, fish, tarantulas, bunny rabbits, ferrets, things like that.
Okay. So guys, ये check करो veterinarian है, and what we call is that the aunt
Exoskeleton. Exoskeleton.
Okay,
Yeah.
this term is very new for me, man.
Yeah, it's okay. It's like a shed. Like a snake sheds its skin.
Okay.
Tarantula sheds its exoskeleton. Kind of like if you've ever eaten crab.
Oh,
crab
yeah.
meat. It has the shell.
Yeah.
They shed the shell and get a new one. Yeah. They grow a
Okay.
new one. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
like in snakes,
As
I
they
know
grow.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, if I talk about these eggs,
Yep.
these eggs have babies or not?
No. These are all. None of them are fertilized. No.
Okay.
They're just stuck. So you know how like a chicken will lay eggs
Yeah,
even if not fertilized.
Okay, yeah. Like,
So these are like egg yolks. Like
Okay.
yolk to an egg.
okay.
All stuck inside the bearded dragon, the lizard. And she
Okay.
can't pass them, so we have to go in surgery and remove them, right?
Okay.
And
Like
if you come over here, I'll show you right here. So we go to surgery and we make a small incision, and we use sterile cotton tips and we pull them out,
Okay.
and then we remove them so that she doesn't have them anymore, kind of thing.
Okay.
Because it was making her sick. Yeah.
Okay, like
Yeah.
maybe they occur some infection in her
Yeah,
stomach.
something stopping them from being able to lay them normally. Yeah.
Okay, like in dogs, I know that.
Yeah.
Like sometimes the puppy stuck in the
There's a problem.
stomach.
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
and that's the problem here. So this was a big iguana, like a big green iguana.
Okay.
And these are all eggs that were stuck in there because she couldn't push them out.
yeah.
Just like the puppy gets
yeah,
stuck
I know.
during
Yeah.
birth. Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, it's similar in the reptiles
Similar
as well.
idea, yeah.
Okay, man. And where is your clinic?
Ellerslie and 50th, Southside Edmonton. Yeah.
Okay, man. Okay. Thank you so much, man.
No worries.
Really
Very nice
appreciate
meeting
it. तो गाइस यार ये चीज़ मुझे ना रेप्टाइल्स में भी बैक्टीरियन होता है गाइस, मुझे आज पता चली ये बात जो ये आपको बताई। लाइक ना डॉग्स में कई बार पपी स्टक नहीं कर जाता मदर के पेट में, वैसा सीन है। वो चीज़ें सारी मुझे बताई है कि कैसे हम निकालते हैं सर्जरी से। इनमें भी सर्जरीज होती हैं, लाइक स्नेक्स में, रेप्टाइल्स में, जितने भी हैं। एक्जॉटिक में कह रहे हैं कि मैं इलाज करता हूँ, जो जितने भी एक्जॉटिक एनिमल्स हैं। रैबिट्स की भी बात की थी। बाकी है ना, सही लगी मुझे तो यार सचमुच आज पता चला कि रेप्टाइल्स में भी वेटनेरियन होते हैं। सो सही था।